In this video, we are going to learn how to filter out the data using some specified condition or a criteria. Let's understand first. This data is we have a different like a name, age, rank. Okay. So first, I want to bold it for the heading for this name now. Okay, the manually there is the option to do as a filtering, select the data, filter out the data. And if you want to filter out data as per a rank, like I want a rank 1, you can see using a filter option. If you want to see as a rank 2, the how many of there, if you want to see filter out the 4 3. But at the same time you want to create a sheet as well, okay, at the each rank, okay, or each address you want to do. So basically here I'm going to show you as per the each rank, the filter out the data and create each rank sheet with the new. Means like if I select for the rank 1, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4, all the 4 data for the rank 1 data, filter out, create a new sheet as a 1 with the name of that rank as well. Okay, now, and the second is 2. 2 is the how many of there? 2, 3. I think 3, 3. Okay, so this 3 data for each line will filter out from this data, copy and paste it with the new sheet and with the name of 2. I will show you with the how after the performing. Now, if I click on run button, now you can see it's whenever you are working in your company, that there are the different tasks will come, like as per your data you want to filter out, and you have to create a different sheet as per the data. Now you can see the rank, all rank 1 data is filtered out and coming with the new sheet with the rank 1. So the rank 1 sheet, rank 2 sheet, rank 3 sheet, rank 4. So four ranks were there, and for each rank the all data is filtered out with the new sheet. So you can see with the using a macros, there will be very easy our repetitive task, and it will be the more automatically we can perform as automation we applied here. Like you whenever you're using like a manual, like a table filtering, there have some like a condition, or there have some rules you cannot do as per your requirement sometimes. So with the using micros code, you can write your own code with your own criteria. So that is the best thing. Now go to the developer tab and check we can how this will perform. Now go to this developer, go to Visual Basics, or you can go, what is the name of this data sheet? Let me check. Here we have a data sheet here, or maybe the different one. Let me close this one, go to Visual Basics. Now you can see there is the 4 sheets and the module 1. Now you can see the whole entire code is here. This is the not hard code. You are, when you are looking at the first time, you can see, oh, it's hard. No, you can see the screening updating is false, the dimension for the range. Now specify sheet, because my sheet name is a data sheet, that's why SHT I give the short name as sheet. What is the sheet of your name? Now change filter column the following, like a code, like whenever you you have a different column, because I selected column from A1 to F. So the you just need to change your the that particular range of your data. Now the range of that rank will be the F1 to F likewise. Now the advanced, using a dot, there will be different option will come, like filter, auto filter, advanced filter. Okay, so the filter copy, then copy range as a AA1 to the unique, because you want to unique data from that. That's true. With the using a with condition, it is a like shortening, it is a stopping the repetitive task, or you can cutting that all the entire left side code. Okay, I already shown in the last video in the using the range, dot, So if you have left all the code in the same, you can don't need to use from the use as a auto filter or a range equal to this. And if you have the font dot name equal to Arial font bold, you want it. Okay, so whenever you have the with condition, it reduce your the writing repetitive writing task. You can say that turn off the filter if you complete the task, then auto filter mode will be the false. Okay, so again with the application screen rating and copy data mode. It means from that data you are filtering out and copy it to the next sheet with the that name. This is the simple. You can Google it out and you just ask for the VBA code for filter data with the name as well. So you can get it and you can change your ranging, and you should try to understand each step how it's working. Okay, so this is a very amazing trick, or you can see it's a very useful task. Is a very useful example. You as per your data, it should be the filter out and it will create a new sheet with that name as well. Okay, so it's a very amazing. If you want to add a print statement as well, you can just add it at the end like a print dot out, and that will be the, if you want to each and every sheet you want to print it out, so that will be also print statement will be automatically display here. So this is all possible in the visual VBA code. So that's it about how we can filter the data using your certain or specific criteria or specific if you want to apply a rule. Okay, I hope you understand.